You're the first customer in Bangalore. Congratulations.
Got my hands on the new iPhone 16 Pro, and in this video we are going to unbox the phone, and we are also going to talk about the features that this phone offers, and I'm also going to share my first impression after using Apple iPhone for the first time. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to What's Up Tanuka, and yes, welcome to What's Up Tanuka, welcome to a new video. Do not skip and watch till the end because this is going to be very exciting. It is 8 AM right now and I'm right in front of the store, but you might be wondering what I'm doing so early in front of the store. That is because I'm the first customer to get the iPhone 16 Pro from the store, and they invited us to come at 8 AM early in the morning to get my hands on the iPhone. So let's go in. This is my phone. Got the iPhone 16 Pro right here.
Yeah, you can.
Okay guys, so got my hands on the new iPhone 16 Pro, and we have a cake here which I'm going to cut. I'm taking the first bite of the cake myself. This is the highlight of this video today. We're going to unbox this right here in the store, so let's go. On the phone now. Pre-booking for iPhone 16 started on the 13th of September worldwide, and on 13th of September at 5:30 we got the pre-booking done, and today is 20th September when I finally got my hands on this iPhone 16 Pro. Very excited, and also I'm very excited to say that I was the first one to get this iPhone 16 from the store that we got, and I was the first one in Bangalore to get this. I'm also going to let you know about what I paid for it, what was the pre-booking process, how much I paid in the pre-booking stage of it. I'm going to tell you all the details in some time. Just stay tuned. The cover itself feels really nice. Now let's get to the main hero, which is the phone here. Now I've got this in desert titanium. Let me show you the color. This feels royal. Just look at the sides. It has 3 buttons right here, and if we move on to the other side, we have 2 here. Now this is a new addition to this iPhone 16, which is the camera control that we have right at the side, which is going to be very convenient. We'll go into the details in some time, but just look at this phone right here. It's so nice, and the size of the phone is very convenient for me. I have a very small hand, so this fits perfectly in my hand, and I feel that that is a very good thing. Coming back to the box right here, so apart from this phone, we have also got this cable and some documentation that we have. We do not have any stickers or anything for the first time. For the very first time, Apple has not included any stickers in their iPhone case box or any iPhone product actually. Okay, so we have a lot of things to figure out for this phone. So we are going to go outdoor and see how the camera works, see how the other features work. So we are going to go everything in detail, but in some time I'm yet to tell you the price and the offer that I got on this iPhone 16 Pro, so just stay tuned. Okay, so we are going to talk about my first impressions about this phone and a little bit of the details of this phone right here. So as you can see right on this page, we see here the date as 19th September and the time is 9:17, which is not correct. This is actually the USA time that it's showing. So it is 20th September and right now it's almost 9:50. Now let's unlock the phone. We are on the home screen here, and if I go to the settings, you will see that it says finish setting up your iPhone, because I've not done any setup yet, but I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to start my setup very soon. And also let's go into this about section here. So first of all, the model name is iPhone 16 Pro, that is what I've taken, and if you see the iOS version here, it says 18.0. So while launching this phone, they talked a lot about Apple Intelligence, but out of the box that is not available in this phone right now. But down the line, sometime in the year, later in the year, they are going to have a software upgrade where we'll have 18.1, and that is when Apple Intelligence and the full capability of this phone is going to come into full effect. So right here we have to see the capacity here. It's 256 GB. That is the capacity that I've taken, and available, as you can see, is 236.64 GB. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to talk about is the camera feature of this iPhone, which is the most important thing for me. But we are not going to open it from the icon here on the home screen, because Apple has very conveniently put a button right at the side to control the camera. Okay, it opens with just a press of this button at the side, and we have a lot of features here. So if you just press it a little bit, you kind of feel a vibration or a haptic feedback, and then if you slide it up and down, you kind of zoom in and you zoom out. Okay, but there are a lot of other features associated with this button right at the side, but I'm yet to figure that out, because I think you can also, you know, increase and decrease the exposure, the brightness and everything. As you can see, if you just press it once, it captures the photos. Okay, and if you long press it, it immediately starts the video, which is very convenient. So Apple has kept in mind about content creation with this phone, because you know this is very convenient for any content creator. With just a press of the button, the video starts. Once again, showing you just by the click of this button, it captures a lot of photos. Also, a very exciting thing here, this is the main camera, which is 48 megapixel. So we are going to get a lot of good videos and a lot of good photos, but let me show you how a video turns out in the indoor lighting. Okay, going back to the camera interface here, I'm on the video mode right now, and on top you can convert it into 4K, and the next thing that you can do is you can increase the frames per second to 120. 4K plus 120 FPS, that's a deadly combination which is introduced for the very first time in this Apple iPhone 16 Pro, and I am very excited to try this out, because the videos are going to be high quality. Also, another exciting thing about this phone is once you go to slow-mo, you can capture a slow-mo video in 4K at 120 FPS. That's just insane, right? So, as I said, I'm going to show you how the video looks outside in an outdoor lighting, outdoor setting, and I'm shooting this video currently in HD at 60 FPS, and this is how it looks. It looks really beautiful. I also want to test out the zoom feature of this iPhone, so let me do it. This is at 2x zoom. It goes up to 5x. So let me go all the way up to 5. this is how it looks at 5x zoom. It looks lovely. It has not distorted the image at all. So yeah, lovely, great. A video here in the selfie mode. Okay, so this is the video in a selfie mode. So there are a lot of other features that I'm yet to check out and yet to figure out, but that will be done in a different video. I'm going to maybe talk about those features in a different video, because I'll go home and set it up and see what else this iPhone has to offer. But yes, this is how the video looks in the selfie camera. I am loving it. This is so convenient, as I said, because of the button at the side. Yes, this is how it looks. So guys, got the cover from a store here and also got the screen protector on. Even at that store we were the first customers, so we got some chocolates. Very excited to try this out. There are so many different features. Once again I'm saying this, but there are so many different features that I've not tried yet, and I'm very excited to try those out. And yeah, in a different video maybe I'm going to give you the reviews of that as well. Finally, it is a time to reveal the price of this phone, iPhone 16 Pro, and the price of this phone is 1,29,999, so almost 1,30,000. But as I mentioned before, I pre-booked this on the 13th of September and I had to pay an advance of 15,000. Okay, so 15,000 I had to pay on the 13th of September, and today when I got the phone, I had to pay 1,10,990. That is because I got a 4,000 instant discount because I used the ICICI credit card. So that is why at the total that I had to pay, I got 4,000 discount. And today, as I said, is the 20th of September when I got hands on this iPhone 16 Pro. So very excited to try this phone out. This is my first Apple experience. I do not know anything about this phone in detail. Obviously I've studied a little bit about this phone before getting it, but yes, I do not have in-depth knowledge of all the features yet. I know that there are very cool features about the sound effects as well. That is what I saw. And because I make videos, I create content, that is going to come very handy for me. I'm going to try out all those features and I'm going to see, how that can make my video journey better. I'm not only going to use the iPhone for content making. That is not going to be the case, but yes, sometimes I'm going to be using it. So yes, very excited. And also I need to tell you guys about this desert titanium color that I've got. It's such a premium color. This is a new introduction from Apple this year for this iPhone 16, and the color is very premium. Even the feel of this phone in my hand feels very premium. It's a compact phone, and it does not it's very light as well. Obviously I have the cover on now, so it feels a little heavy, but the phone in itself is very premium and it feels very light, very easy to use. As I said, I'm a first time Apple user, so it did not take me too much time to get used to all the different navigations and all. It was very easy. So I think full marks to Apple for that. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. As I said, in a different video I'm going to go in details about some of the features that I would be using. Maybe I'll use it for a few months or so, and then maybe I can give you like better in detail review of the different features that this phone has, or the different features that I'm going to use. But yes, I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to let me know in the comments if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to What's Up Tanuka. I will see you on the next one.
this was something new that I tried. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see something like this in the future as well. Bye.